Hi everyone, this is Mansi Gulati, your yoga expert. We all know yoga is for perfection. So let's do today yoga for maintaining healthy lifestyle. Let us start. First, close your eyes, relax yourself. Deep inhale, exhale, inhale. We'll chant Om, inhale, Om. Gently rub your palm, keep it on your eyes, light massage on our face, palm close to our chest and release. Om is a beautiful mantra, guys. We need to combine three words, A, U, Ma. In this three word, we are not using our tongue. This helps to stimulate your nervous system. It brings more clarity, more positivity, more relaxation. So please do chant Om. Now let's start with simple Kriya. Simple Kriya, breathing exercises. Breathing exercises help to clear all the toxins from your body. So this is very easy Kriya. In this, we are just increasing the speed of our breath while inhalation, exhalation. So let's keep right hand on our chest, left on stomach. Deep inhale. Exhale. Inhale, expand your chest. Exhale, contract. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Relax. This is also very good Kriya. It also brings a lot of relaxation. We can feel that, guys. And this helps to clear all the toxins from our body. Now let's do second Kriya, which is also one of the best Kriya. This we call Kapal Dhoti. Kapal means mukh, Dhoti means purification, face purification Kriya. Press your fingertip. Pressing our fingertip means stimulating our sensory organ. Inhale. Relax. Kapal Dhoti, this help to, very good for increasing blood circulation. It allow more oxygen to get in. Let's do it one more time. Inhale. Amazing. Really easy, super effective Kriya. Now let's do balloon pose. Inhale, fill your mouth with air. Filling your mouth with air, that is good for contracting your all the muscle, very good for increasing more blood circulation. Let's do this. Hold for 10 seconds. Inhale. Release. Relax. Let's do the squeeze pose. Squeeze pose is very good for reducing all the stress. Let's do it. Inhale, squeeze. Squeeze all the facial muscle, guys. And release. Release with a beautiful smile. Hope you enjoyed our video. Do like and share. Thank you.